Hello everyone, good afternoon. Here's Evita. Today I'll be doing some hard work here. I'll be cutting off big branches from the Mediterranean viburnum. I do this every 2 years and it's about time to cut it down. So if you'd like, please join me and enjoy the video. So I started sorting out the branches that I cut off from the Mediterranean viburnum, and it's really hot right now. It's almost 30 degrees and my husband helped me out here. He cut the bigger branches with his electric saw, and when it turns cooler I will be shredding. Wow, it's really hot, guys. So that is now the Mediterranean viburnum, and I'll be able to get some sunshine from the west now. So maybe I can still plant some flowering plants in front of the viburnum to enjoy in fall. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye now. Have a nice day.